Lawyers for actress Lori Loughlin and her husband claim new evidence shows the couple is innocent in the college admissions scandal. In a legal filing, defense attorneys say prosecutors provided them with notes written by the admitted ringleader of the scheme, Rick Singer. They say the notes prove the couple's claim that they did not bribe their daughter's way into the University of Southern California. Nikki Battiste joins us with the latest on the story. Nikki, good morning. Why is this information coming out now?
Good morning, Tony. Well, federal prosecutors say they discovered Singer's personal notes back in October 2018, but believed they were privileged at the time and held off on disclosing them until yesterday. Now, Loughlin's lawyers argue those notes and what they say about investigators' conduct could exonerate the defendants. It's been nearly a year since Rick Singer pleaded guilty to charges including racketeering and fraud as part of an alleged scheme to buy students admission to top-tier colleges. But a new memo from defense attorneys for Loughlin and her husband Massimo Giannulli claims the government instructed Singer to lie to clients by calling their payments bribes, even if he'd previously characterized them as legitimate. The memo contains a note Singer wrote on his iPhone about his discussions with FBI agents. In one exchange he called loud and abrasive, Singer said, "They continue to ask me to tell a fib and not restate what I told my clients as to where the money was going." Loughlin and Giannulli paid $500,000 to USC, allegedly so their daughters could attend the school. They've insisted the money was a donation, but they're accused of taking additional measures to cheat the system, like making a fake resume for one of their kids. This comes after other defendants caught up in Singer's web, like fellow Hollywood actress Felicity Huffman, not only pleaded guilty, but finished serving prison sentences.
Deeply ashamed, terribly sorry.
That includes former New York attorney Gordon Kaplan, who admitted he paid $75,000 to have the answers on his daughter's ACT exam corrected. In his notes, Singer wrote that investigators wanted to, quote, nail Gordon at all costs and asked him to solicit additional payments from Kaplan for that purpose.
It's an embarrassment for the government.
Lori Levinson is a former federal prosecutor. She says Singer's notes should have been turned over long ago, and they bring both his and the government's credibility into question.
It gives the defense some ammunition to say that, in fact, Loughlin and others didn't really agree that this was a bribe. This is a positive development for Lori Loughlin. We don't know whether it will clear her or make the case go away, but we do know that it puts the government on the defensive.
A judge was set to decide trial dates for Loughlin and other figures implicated in the scandal today. But her defense team is asking for that proceeding to be pushed back in light of the new information detailed in Singer's notes. They call the government's previous failure to disclose those notes outrageous. I was actually speaking with our legal analyst, Ricky Kleeman, who says for Lori Loughlin, there's still really no way around the fact that she made fraudulent resumes with dummy photos to make her daughter look like the athlete that she isn't.
Yeah, it does paint another side, but at the end of the day, you do, as Ricky points out, have those pictures.
Yes. You faked a resume.
Hard to escape that.
How do you explain that one? All right, Nikki, thanks.
All right, thanks, Nikki.